What's up guys, the CORVETTE back at you with another video. So today we're going to be adding some of the jack pucks for the car. Now these are the ones that go bolted up into the car at all times, not the ones you just kind of stick up when you want to put it up, but these will stay on the car at all times. Link will be in the description below if you are interested in buying these. I did get them from Amazon. They have some good reviews on them, so we'll go ahead and put them on today, and that way whenever we need to jack the car up, the pucks are there to help with the lift. So let's go ahead and let me show you the way they look, and then we'll go ahead and put them on. All right, so here's the box. Okay, it's a small box, comes from Amazon. Let's go ahead and get this open. Okay, now it comes with the supplied bolts and the tool to go ahead and get those on. It also comes with the part that holds it in place, and then there's your actual pucks. Now I got mine red, not just because the car is red, but just so they're easier to see whenever you're actually putting them in. See? But we'll go ahead, put these out. Here's all the pucks. Now it'd probably be easier to lift the car, but I'm not gonna lift the car. Alright guys, so pretty much the way how you do this is, what you'll do, you'll stick one in the bottom, have it come out of the other side, and then take your supplied little bolt there, just kind of thread it on a little bit. Then, once that's on there, take your other one, fit it in through the side, and align it so that the other one is on there, and then just kind of tighten it in place a little bit so it starts to thread in there, and then you'll tighten this on the car so that way they're both the same. And just kind of do that for all of them. Alright, now once you have all those set and done, go ahead and don't forget your tool. Let's go ahead and go under the car to put them on. Alright, so once you get under the car, you'll see that it's kind of right in between the door panel gap right there, right in the center. Just go right underneath, and then it's right about there, this hole right here. That's where you're going to stick it, turn it 90 degrees, and then just start screwing the bolts into the bottom. Alright guys, and they just need to be hand tight. There's no need to over torque them or anything, because they just need to be snug, not completely too tight. Let's go over to the other side and get the other ones. Okay guys, so this is where the back one is located. See, there's the front, there's the back. It's right, I would say, almost where, right at the end of the door. You'll see it. It's right there. You can see the hole. Here it is. All right, once again, just place it in the slot and turn 90 degrees. Then using the supplied tool to tighten, go ahead and tighten it. And bam, that's it. All good to go on that one. Okay guys, we're about halfway done with the process, so let's go ahead. We'll go over to the other side and get the other side done. It's pretty simple. Probably can do it in 20 minutes, I would say. All right, we're gonna get the other side, driver's side, done. So like I said before, remember, just place it in, twist it 90 degrees until it's about there. Then use the supplied tool. Sorry about dropping that. Use the supplied tool just to get it in there. Twist. And there it is. It's in there. On to the last one. All right, that's the final one. That's it. It's nice and snug and in there. So whenever you need to jack your car up, that will definitely help with putting some relief on your rocker panels there. So all the pucks are in, so that'll make jacking up the car easier, especially for the rocker panels. But hope y'all enjoyed the little quick video on how to install those. More will be coming along the way. Like I've said, I've got a lot of plans for this car, so hope y'all enjoyed it. But like I said before, link is down in the description if y'all do want some of those like it. All right guys, well, I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you did. More videos will be coming along the way. But everybody, have a good day. Till the next time, peace.